Hi friends, I am in the Icy Strait in Alaska, which is the first stop for us. Icy Strait in Alaska, which is the first stop for us on our journey in the Century Cruise Liners, Celebrity Century Cruise Liner. And this place is known as Huna. This is a small village of Huna. The entire island of Icy Strait consists of only 860 people. Like you can see the structure behind me. Can you believe it? This is the court. This is the courtroom for Huna. This is the town hall, and you can also see a lovely little church. A lovely little church over here. It's covered by mountains and it has access to the sea. The main profession of the people living in Huna is fishing. So you have got tours which take you for whale watching as well as for crab catching. Very interesting place. I'm really surprised how these people live in winter. When it is snow, it's heavily snowing, and the whole island is totally buried under the snow. This is a point which has been started 4 to 5 years back, where cruise liners like Celebrity Century halt for a tourist destination, as a tourist destination. It's very interesting. It's calm and cool and quiet, but the infrastructure is fantastic. They have Wi-Fi, they have telephone lines, proper electricity, lovely houses. You can see those hills there. People are having houses on the small hills. Great view for the people who are living top on there. Lovely cars. People are well equipped. There are good restaurants serving coffee, tea, snacks, and it's a nice experience. Probably we have never visited a village which has a population of as less as 860 people only. The climate is fantastic. It's cool. It's sunny. It's very, very cool. It's slightly windy. We were expecting more cold, but thank God it's not very cold. It's not raining. So it has been very pleasant here. Once again, this is Agnilo Rajesh at the Icy Strait in Alaska. The first point, Alaska comes under the United States of America. So this is the first point where we stepped onto the American land on this tour. Once again, this is Agnilo Rajesh. Bye for now. Thank you.